beyond touch, a new language of desire, intimacy, a whisper, a glance, a touch. It's the language of love, the spark that ignites connection. But what happens when the language of desire evolves beyond the physical? Technology, in its ever-evolving dance with humanity, is rewriting the rules of intimacy, pushing boundaries, and crafting new avenues for connection. From the days of heartfelt letters penned under candlelight to today's instant messages buzzing with emojis, our quest for connection has always embraced technology. It's about bridging the distance, making the heart speak even when miles separate us. And now, technology is painting a bolder, more vibrant picture of intimacy, one where pixels and algorithms intertwine with our deepest desires. It's a world where a longing glance can be shared across continents, where whispered desires turn into shared experiences, no matter the distance. Technology, in its own way, is becoming the bridge between our desires and their fulfillment, blurring the lines between the physical and the digital. This is the dawn of a new era of intimacy, one where technology empowers us to explore, connect, and love like never before. From pen to pixel, bridging distances, igniting sparks. Remember the thrill of receiving a handwritten letter from a loved one? The anticipation, the way your fingers trace the ink, feeling their presence in every word. Technology may have replaced parchment and quill, but the essence of longing, the desire to bridge the distance, remains the same. Today, instant messaging, video calls, and even virtual reality experiences have taken center stage. We send a flirty text, our hearts racing with every notification ping. We share a laugh over a video call, the miles melting away as we gaze into each other's eyes. We explore virtual worlds hand in hand, our senses ignited by shared digital adventures. Technology isn't just connecting us, it's creating new avenues for intimacy to blossom. Imagine sharing a sensual experience with your partner, guided by a shared app, the distance dissolving as you explore new realms of pleasure together. Imagine the thrill of a long-distance date night, complete with virtual candlelight and a curated playlist, the intimacy amplifying through shared screens. Technology isn't replacing intimacy, it's simply rewriting its language, offering us new dialects of desire to explore and embrace. Digital intimacy, personalized pleasure, limitless exploration. The beauty of technology lies in its ability to cater to individual desires, to create personalized experiences that resonate with our unique needs. And in the realm of intimacy, this translates to a world of exploration, where pleasure knows no bounds. Imagine a world where technology helps you understand your desires better, where AI companions learn your preferences and guide you towards experiences tailored to your specific needs. Imagine exploring these desires solo, at your own pace, in a safe and judgment-free environment, empowered by technology that prioritizes your pleasure and well-being. But technology's role in intimacy goes beyond personal exploration. It empowers couples to bridge gaps and reignite flames, no matter the distance or circumstance. Imagine long-distance relationships thriving on shared experiences, couples connecting through technology that allows them to feel close, to share intimate moments despite being miles apart. Technology, in its ever-evolving embrace, is shaping a future where intimacy is personal, limitless, and accessible to all. As we embrace this new era of digital intimacy, it's crucial to prioritize emotional well-being and safety. Just as we safeguard our hearts in the physical world, so too must we tread carefully in the digital realm. Privacy becomes paramount, a sacred pact between individuals engaging in intimate exchanges. Ensuring that personal information, desires, and experiences remain confidential is non-negotiable. Choosing platforms and technologies that prioritize data encryption and user privacy is key to fostering a safe and secure space for digital intimacy to flourish. Open communication with our partners about boundaries and expectations becomes even more vital in a digital landscape. Honesty, respect, and consent remain the cornerstones of any intimate connection, whether physical or digital. By prioritizing emotional well-being, setting clear boundaries, and choosing trustworthy platforms, we pave the way for a future where digital intimacy thrives responsibly and ethically. As technology weaves itself into the fabric of our intimate lives, it's important to remember its true purpose: to enhance, not replace, the language of love. Technology, for all its advancements, can never replicate the warmth of a lover's embrace, the thrill of a stolen kiss, the comfort of holding someone close. Instead, it should serve as a bridge, a conduit to deepen our connections, to keep the spark alive even when distance separates us. It should empower us to communicate our desires more openly, to explore our individual needs more freely, and to experience intimacy in ways we never thought possible. The future of intimacy isn't about replacing human connection with digital substitutes. It's about utilizing technology's power to nurture our relationships, to bridge the gaps, and to remind us that even in a digital world, the most powerful connections are those forged in the heart. So let us embrace this new era of intimacy with open hearts and cautious minds, remembering that technology is a tool, and like any tool, its power lies in how we choose to wield it.